Hey, welcome back. MoreSolutionsInc.com's at it again. Excel video 163 today. Easy functions to start with on date and time under this Formulas tab and some of the date and time things. What I want to show you today are two functions. One's called now and the other's called today. The difference is that today just tells you what the day is. Now includes the date and time in there as well. And the reason I left these errors out here is if you just do equals now, then Excel blows up and says, I don't know what to do. But it needs these two parentheses, and then it can figure out what the heck it's doing. Yeah, that made it kind of big. And again, with the parentheses, now you can get today. So if you just need the date, use today. If you need the time, use now. And remember to put the left and the right parenthesis there so that the function will work for you. And you'll notice that over time this won't update. This, and if you come over here and do equals 5 plus 5, we're going to need, let's do this and then you can see it better. If we come in here and do custom number format down here at the bottom, and let's just do this for the minutes and seconds, and then we do 43. It will update as the spreadsheet changes. So the last time your spreadsheet recalculates, because it sees new data and you put a 14 in there, the now function will update. But if you wait an hour and then the last thing you do is print, don't hold to this the seconds thing. I'm not sure that's going to be helpful for you. What you're really looking for is just to get the date and a rough estimate of the time. Every time Excel updates, it's going to update the time for you, but it's not going to get really hung up on updating it it's not going to update without something else in the spreadsheet changing. Maybe that's a clearer way to say it. The other thing I wanted to show you besides now and today is if you want to put something like this on your spreadsheet. One way you can use today or now is just put out in the side of the spreadsheet or towards the bottom or whatever. You can put last updated on and put a date out here. You can combine the date in text if you do something like this. What I do is I do equals, and then the text I want is in quotes. Spreadsheet updated by Nate on, and I put the quotes there, and I put the and sign, and then we have to use text, and let me show you why. If we don't use this text function, if we just do today, like that, Excel's going to give you the number for today, 40,700. That doesn't help anybody. So what you end up having to do is use the text function there that we used last time to convert the 40,700 that is today's date stored as a number in Excel and convert it to text. So what we're doing is just like we did in the last video. We're doing text. What do I want to convert? And then how do I want that text to look? And if we come over here, so the values today, and then the format text, we're just going to say 2 digits for the month, 2 for the day, 4 for the year. And I got that function, or that format, if you will, straight out of here. There's MDYYY, and there's some others in there that have the formats to work. But that's how I got this to work. So you may want to put something like this at the top or bottom of some of your critical spreadsheets to say, hey, when was I in there and what was the last date? And you can make this show up anytime you want. That's what I wanted to show you to start with on date and time. I wanted to show you now, make sure you use the parentheses, and today, make sure you use the parentheses. If you want to put it within text, put the text in quotes, and you'll need this text function to format the result of the today function. Stay tuned, we've got some more date tricks coming up. Thanks for watching.